When it comes to premium whiskey, two names that stand out are Buchanan's and Johnnie Walker. Both brands are renowned worldwide, offering unique blends and rich histories. But how do you choose between these two iconic labels? Let's dive into what makes each whiskey special, so you can decide which one best suits your taste. Buchanan's, smooth and subtle elegance. Buchanan's is known for its smooth, approachable flavor. Its 12-year-old blend, Buchanan's Deluxe, offers a balanced experience with light, fruity notes and a hint of creaminess. This whiskey is often praised for its easy drinkability, making it a favorite for both seasoned whiskey lovers and newcomers. It has a subtle complexity, with a finish that lingers gently on the palate, which makes it ideal for those who enjoy a whiskey that doesn't overwhelm but rather invites you to explore its layers of flavor. Johnnie Walker, bold and rich complexity. Johnnie Walker, on the other hand, is famous for its boldness. Whether you choose the classic Johnnie Walker Black Label or venture into the luxury of the Blue Label, you're in for a robust, smoky experience. Johnnie Walker whiskeys are known for their depth and complexity, with rich notes of dark fruit, spice, and peat. This brand is perfect for those who appreciate a whiskey that makes a statement, delivering a memorable taste from the first sip to the last. Which one should you choose? If you prefer a whiskey with smoothness and a mild, balanced character, Buchanan's is the way to go. It's perfect for social occasions, casual sipping, or pairing with lighter meals. On the other hand, if you're looking for something with a bit more intensity and depth, Johnnie Walker offers a bolder profile that pairs well with strong flavors or as a standalone drink for those special moments. Ultimately, your choice will depend on what you're looking for in a whiskey experience. Both brands represent excellence, but your personal preference will guide you to the one that suits you best. Have you tried both? Which whiskey speaks to you more? Share your thoughts in the comments.